Hello, today I'm going to show you how to turn your boot from this to this for around about £15. So first of all we need to remove these rubber strips. And these two clips in the cowling. Now this should just lift out. So now we can get this felt panel out of the way and pop out the interior light. And if I unscrew this, you should be able to pull through. Now I'm going to take out the bulb and just check the polarity. So I'm going to put the positive with the green wire. And as you can see there it says 12 volts. Now if I put the positive with the blue wire, we can see it reads minus 12 volts. So we now know that the green wire is definitely the positive. So before doing any wiring we need to isolate it because we don't want to be cutting into live wires. You can either disconnect the battery, take out the fuse, or just put a screwdriver in the boot latch. And as you can see there it goes out. So I've cut out the boot light here, and what we're going to do, the original wire is coming down here from the car. We're going to use these connectors, so we're providing power to the original bulb, and also the positive will come down here, and this will be on the right hand side of the car to run the LED strips. The same for the earth to come down here to run the LED strips. Now for the left hand side of the car, I've got this wire here, which is also teed in. Now this is speaker cable because the LED lights don't draw very much, so you don't need any big cables. So this will come tucked in the boot and provide power for the left hand side. So now it's all wired in, we've got the original bulb in there. This is where the LED lights on the right hand side will pick up their power, and then the wires go through the boot underneath here to this one, which will power the left hand side. And I will tuck this all behind here and drop this out down here. Same with this one here. I'll run it and drop it out down here. Now to check everything works, I'll just open the boot. As you can see, the original bulb lights up, and I've tested for power both at this and this, so we know our LED strips will work. So now the boot's all put back together, we've got these little power sources dropping down. This one on the right hand side, this one on the left. So I didn't mention, but when you cut these lights down to length, you need to find these little cut marks on them. You can solder wires straight onto these, but as you can see by these little bits dropping down, they're quick connectors that you can buy offline, and they just provide power straight to the lights, so you don't have to faff around. So we now have the finished product. As you can see, it's a lot brighter than the old halogen bulb. They do give out a lot more light. Thanks for watching.